Titan drones deliver smarter, faster, and more cost-effective protection for outdoor assets and large-scale commercial sites. Our advanced aerial systems provide unmatched visibility, rapid threat detection, and seamless compliance, ensuring full perimeter protection at scale, with zero compromise and lower operational costs. Titan provides customizable protection and security on the ground and in the air for a wide range of businesses and properties. Our drones are designed to launch, land, and recharge at designated security base stations, and all Titan pilots are FAA certified for beyond visual line-of-sight missions across the U.S. Titan's drone security reflects our commitment to speed, quality, and service. So, what is drone security? At Titan, it's more than just a flying camera. It's a fully integrated security solution that brings advanced tech and human expertise together to protect your valuable assets day and night. We call it Automated Response and Patrol, or ARP. It's the future of perimeter breach protection. Titan drones detect, investigate, and respond to potential intrusions in real time, giving you unmatched control. Titan drones monitor your sites using predefined patrol routes and real-time perimeter detection technology. They launch automatically and respond instantly, covering areas that are difficult or even impossible for ground patrols to reach. With an average response time of just 2 minutes, Titan drones close the critical gap between alarm activation and human intervention, compared to the industry average of 20 minutes or more between threat detection and response with traditional patrols. Each drone can cover hundreds of acres from a single launch point, giving you unprecedented visibility and rapid response coverage, all from above. And combined with advanced geofencing and obstacle avoidance technology, Titan drones know where they're allowed to fly and where they aren't, keeping operations efficient and compliant. Day or night, our drones deliver high-resolution video streaming, infrared imaging, and night vision, feeding live footage directly to Titan's 5-diamond UL-certified monitoring center. We can send the stream to anyone else who needs it, like the business next door or your CEO. There, our FAA-licensed security pilots oversee every mission. If a threat is detected, our operators can take manual control, track suspects, and coordinate an immediate law enforcement or on-site security response. It's the perfect balance of AI-powered threat detection and human decision-making, ensuring that every response is fast, effective, and appropriate. Before deployment, Titan works with you to map your perimeter, identify high-risk areas, and design a patrol and response plan tailored to your specific property and existing security systems. And because Titan operates on a drone-as-a-service model, there's no upfront investment cost in equipment, licensing, or compliance management. Instead of spending hundreds of thousands on in-house drone operations, including FAA waivers, training, insurance, and maintenance, Titan delivers a turnkey solution with predictable monthly costs and full regulatory compliance. The result? You get cutting-edge aerial surveillance, backed by expert human oversight at a fraction of the cost of traditional guard services. In fact, many clients save over $100,000 a year compared to maintaining on-site security personnel. And if you want to keep existing security systems in place at your property, Titan drones are a force multiplier designed to enhance and expand your 24/7 security reach. Every property is unique, and so is every security challenge. That's why Titan starts with a complimentary site assessment, working alongside your team to design a custom drone security solution for your needs, your risks, and your budget. From there, we'll show you exactly how Titan drone security works with a live demo that brings the technology to life. Titan sees what others miss, protecting what matters, relentlessly, from above.